If you're ready to take your Shopify store to the next level with TikTok ads, then you came to the right video. TikTok has become one of the fastest growing platforms for e-commerce businesses, offering a unique opportunity to achieve impressive returns on ad spend, also known as ROAS. Now, with the right strategy, TikTok ads can help you scale from modest sales to 3x, 5x, or even 10x ROAS. In this guide, we'll cover everything that you need to know to succeed with TikTok ads. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. Exploring the TikTok Creative Center. Now, if you're not already using it, then this resource is an absolute goldmine for discovering top performing ads, analyzing trends, and gaining inspiration for your campaigns. Let me show you exactly how to navigate it and use it to improve your own TikTok ads. Accessing the TikTok Creative Center. So what you want to do is head over to the TikTok Creative Center. So either click the link down in the description or open your browser and go to TikTok Creative Center. Here you'll see a dashboard filled with tools for analyzing trending ads, music, hashtags, and more. What we're going to want to do is explore the top ads section. So coming over here to the TikTok Creative Center, we're going to go to inspiration and click here on top ads. So this is where you're going to find a library of ads that are currently performing well on TikTok. Here you can filter by industry, region, objective, time period, all to find the most relevant ads to your niche. Filtering for relevant ads. Let's say you run a Shopify store selling fitness gear. Here's how you can find the most relevant ads. First, what we're going to do is set the country. We're going to go ahead and leave that in the United States. And next, we're going to come to industry. So for this, maybe we'll go ahead and select health or a similar category to your niche as possible. And then you can go ahead and set your region. So again, we already have the United States filtered. And then we can go ahead and select objective. So you can choose objectives like conversions, traffic, to see the ads that are designed to drive similar results. So for this example, we'll go ahead and select on conversions. Now here you can go ahead and select the time frame that you want to see this filtered. So you can check the last 180 days, the last 30 days, or the last 7 days. I recommend starting with the last 30 days because that's going to give you a good pool of ads to choose from, and you're going to be able to see ads that have been successful. While the 7 days, you're going to see the most recent trending ads. They might not have been up for long enough to really see the full value and the full performance of those ads. So that's why I suggest you start with 30 days. Obviously, you can go ahead and play with the other date filters, but that's where I would start. Now, once you apply these filters, you'll see a list of the ads that have been driving strong engagement and conversions in your chosen category. And here you have different features to sort. So you can sort by for you. So this is where you're going to see relevant top ads that are selected for you based on your activity and business information. Or you can go by reach, CTR, as well as a few others. So 2 seconds view rates, 6 seconds view rate, CVR, and likes. Analyzing a top performing ad. So let's go ahead and pick one of the ads that stands out on the list and break it down. So here we go. This one here has 101,000 likes, top 7% CTR, and they had a high budget. So to go ahead and analyze the top performing ads, you just want to play the ads. So you can just click on it or hover over it to watch it. And what you really want to pay attention to is the first 3 to 5 seconds. So this is where TikTok ads hook the viewers. So in this case, they start by just showing the product, and it's, a lot of moving parts. So, they put the product down and they put it out of the box and then show the spoon. So it's all happening super fast, as well as doing a voiceover so that you can really go ahead and get hooked into the view. Next, you want to review the metrics. So again, below the video, you'll see the performance metrics like CTR, CPC, engagement rates. So for this ad, again, it says it's in the top 7% of CTR, which is really high. As you're going through and watching ads, what you want to do is examine the structure. So again, like we talked about, the hook. The first few seconds highlight the product in action, showing you how it works. And then look at the value proposition. So how does the ad emphasize its features and benefits, appealing to, the consumers that you want to mimic? And then you want to look for creative trends. So if you see people doing similar ads that are all successful, you might consider doing a campaign that kind of rides the coattails of these trends and try to maximize some of your success on something that's already working. So what can you learn from these ads? So this example teaches us several key ways to create high-performing TikTok ads. Again, you want to prioritize a strong hook. Capture the attention within the first 3 seconds with movement, vibrant visuals, or intriguing text. Highlight the benefits quickly. Focus on 1 or 2 key selling points rather than overwhelming viewers with too much information. Use trending elements. Incorporate popular music, hashtags, or video styles to boost engagement. You want to end with a clear CTA. So guide the viewers to take action, whether that's visiting your website, making a purchase, or following your account. How to apply these insights. So the TikTok Creative Center is not just a place to find inspiration. It's a tool to refine your strategy. You can use it to discover what's working in your industry, identify trends that you can incorporate into your own ads, analyze performance metrics to set benchmarks for your campaigns, and by regularly exploring the TikTok Creative Center, you'll stay ahead of the curve and create ads that resonate with your target audience. Now that you've seen how the TikTok Creative Center can help you discover top performing ads and gain inspiration for your campaigns, let's dive into the practical steps of setting up TikTok ads for your Shopify store. Step 1, install the TikTok app on your Shopify store. Now, if you don't already have a Shopify store, we'll leave a link down in the description to get started with a free trial. You can go ahead and get a free 3-day trial, and then after that, your first month is only $1, so you can get started with very little money. So we'll go ahead and sign up for a free trial here. And then Shopify is going to take you through their guided onboarding section, but for now, I'm going to go ahead and just skip all of that. And boom, just like that, now we have our Shopify store set up. So how to install the TikTok app? First, we're going to go into our Shopify store here and come to the App Store and type in TikTok. We'll go ahead and search, and that's going to bring us here to the Shopify App Store. And you want to make sure that the developer is TikTok Inc. period. That's how you know it's the right one. And we'll go ahead and click install. So after you do that, it brings you back to your Shopify store. And here we're going to go ahead and click install. Okay, so now we can go ahead and connect our accounts. Okay, so that's how you get set up with Shopify and install the TikTok app on your Shopify store. Step 2, create and connect your TikTok ads account. So to run TikTok ads, you need an active TikTok ads account. Creating and connecting this account is a super straightforward process, and TikTok often incentivizes new advertisers with free ad credits. And right now, you can go ahead and get started with some free credits from TikTok by clicking the link down in the description. Here you can see you can spend $30 and get $20, or spend $100 and get $100 in ad credits. So be sure to click the link down in the description to get started with some free ad credits. So I already have my TikTok ads account manager set up, but here are the steps that you need to take. So first, within the TikTok app in Shopify, you can click the option to create an account. Fill out your business information. TikTok will request details about your business, including your email address, company name, and industry. Don't forget to claim your ad credits like I just talked about. Again, TikTok offers up to $100 in credits for new users. So for every dollar you spend, TikTok matches it, doubling your advertising power. So here's how to connect your TikTok ads account to Shopify. So we'll come back over to our Shopify store and we'll go ahead and set up our TikTok ads account. Here we can go ahead and connect our TikTok for Business account, and we'll go ahead and click connect. So now we'll go ahead and just connect a TikTok ads manager account here. Okay, and just like that, we have gone ahead and connected the TikTok ads manager to our Shopify account. Now the next thing that we're going to do is go ahead and install the TikTok Pixel. So by installing the TikTok Pixel on your store, TikTok is going to give your store better information to make better ads. So what you want to do here is you want to make sure that you have the maximum data sharing on, so you can go ahead and get the best information possible to maximize your ads. Now it went ahead and generated a pixel for me, but if that didn't go ahead and do that for you, you can go ahead and create a pixel, and we'll go ahead and click confirm, and we'll go ahead and click on finish setup. So there we go. That is how you go ahead and connect your TikTok ads manager account to your Shopify account. So once your accounts and shop are connected, it's time to create your first TikTok ad campaign. And again, if you haven't already, go ahead and claim your free TikTok ads credits down in the description below. TikTok's ad manager offers a variety of campaign objectives tailored to different goals, such as driving traffic, generating leads, or boosting sales. Here's how to launch your campaign. Open the TikTok ads manager. So within the TikTok ads manager, click on the create button to start a new campaign. Select your campaign objective, whether that's traffic. You want to direct users to your Shopify store to browse products, or conversions. Encourage users to take specific actions, such as making a purchase. Product sales. This is ideal for TikTok shop users, and this option tracks purchases made within TikTok. Next, define your target audience. So start broad to let TikTok's algorithm optimize your ads. Use demographics, interests, and behaviors to refine your audience later. Next, set your budget. Begin with a daily budget of $10 to $20 to test your ads. Gradually increase the budget for high-performing campaigns. Step 5, create engaging ad creatives. To maximize your success, create a variety of ad creatives. Types of ad creatives to test. Problem solution video. Highlight a common pain point and show how your product solves it. For example, a skincare brand might show someone struggling with acne and how their product clears it up. Emotional appeal ads. Tell a heartfelt story that resonates with your audience. For instance, a pet brand could share the story of a rescued dog and how their products help keep pets happy and healthy. Educational content. Teach your audience something new. For example, a fitness brand might share workout tips featuring their new equipment. Trend-based videos. Join viral TikTok challenges or trends. Incorporating trending music or hashtags can help your ad feel native to the platform. Tips for high converting creatives. Make sure to hook viewers early. The first 3 seconds are critical. Use bold visuals or intriguing text to grab attention. Showcase benefits clearly. Highlight what makes your product special through visuals, testimonials, or comparisons. Keep it authentic. Ads that feel like organic TikTok content tend to perform better. Step 6, target specific audience and interests. Now, once your first broad campaign is live, create additional campaigns focused on specific audiences. Audience targeting strategies. Interest stacking. Combine multiple interests to reach highly relevant users. For example, if you sell yoga mats, target users interested in yoga, meditation, and fitness. Retargeting audiences. Create custom audiences based on users who watched your videos, clicked on your ads, added products to their cart but didn't check out. Lookalike audiences. You can use data from your existing customers to target users with similar behaviors or demographics. Step 7, monitor, test, and optimize your campaigns. TikTok ads require ongoing monitoring and adjustments to maintain strong performance. And here's how to optimize effectively. Key metrics to track. Return on ad spend, or ROAS. This measures the revenue generated for every dollar spent. Click-through rate, or CTR. A good CTR on TikTok is above 1%. Cost per click, or CPC. Aim for a CPC under $1 for affordable traffic. Conversion rate. This tracks how many clicks lead to actual purchases. Final tips for success. Claim your ad credits. Take advantage of TikTok's $100 ad credit offer to minimize your upfront costs. Participate in TikTok ad challenges. These challenges can increase exposure and help you gain valuable insights into your audience. Seek expert guidance. If you're new to TikTok ads, struggling to scale, consider working with a mentor or agency for personalized advice. So TikTok ads are a powerful tool for Shopify store owners to grow their businesses and achieve impressive return on ad spend. By following the steps in this guide, you'll be well equipped to launch and optimize TikTok campaigns that drive real results. Now, if you want to get started with Shopify or the TikTok ad credits that we talked about today, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no additional cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video from us. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.